everyone! Give me 10 minutes to show you this traditional recipe from my hometown. I've made a healthy twist to add more fiber, color, and nutrients into this classic diced pickled radish tofu dish. Diced pickled radish tofu dish, also known as Poh Tofu, pickled radish tofu. It is a delightful dish that combines firm tofu with crispy preserved radish, or also known as chai po, for an umami-packed experience. The preserved radish is fried until crispy and tossed with bite-sized firm tofu, carrots, and bell peppers. For a kick of spice, add some sliced chili, and do take note that back home, bird's eye chili are often used by those who love the extra spicy kick. It's so good, but little spicy. But if you like, you can omit the bird's eye chili and just use a green chili just for color and also for a little spice. A humble ingredient. Tofu is often used by mothers to supplement protein for their families, and bless these creative mothers for this delightful dish, packed and loaded with flavors and packed with a crunch. My name is Sue, and let me share this traditional, nearly forgotten recipe that is mostly cooked only at home. Back when I was growing up, this simple dish helped create an appetite that would help many gulp down 2 bowls of rice in no time. Let's dive in. Also, check out the crispy tofu recipe that was uploaded last week. Please consider subscribing for more wonderful recipes that you can easily cook at home so that you won't miss any of the classic and not so classic recipes. Please like and share this recipe as well. I appreciate you doing that. First, take out the firm tofu from the mold. Cut it into dice. You can dice into bite-sized pieces so that it can absorb the flavor beautifully. Here, this is half firm tofu. You can use the whole package of tofu if you like to make more. I'm using half of the package. Now soak the chai ball or pickled radish into a bowl of water to slightly remove the saltiness. Give it a good stir and pour the water away. This pickled daikon radish can be easily found in the Asian grocery shops. It can be kept in the refrigerator for a long time. You can use it whenever you like. Another common recipe for using this ingredient is chai po nun, or pickled radish omelette. Next, let's peel and cut 2 small carrots and cut these up into small slices. I'm also using 1 green chili today. Please remove the seeds and core from the chili to reduce the spiciness. Also, dicing half a yellow bell pepper for extra sweetness and color. Yellow bell peppers is packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, so try to add this into your dishes if you can. Once you have diced and cut all the ingredients, let's start frying. Use a big shallow pan or a wok for easy frying. This easy hack can reduce the mess of frying. Less clean up time for us. Start by pouring 2 tablespoons of oil in the pan. The oil is slightly yellow here because there is a tinge of turmeric in the oil, and this is from frying the crispy tofu. If you have not watched the crispy tofu recipe, go ahead and watch it later. You can use any oil. 2 tablespoons. The entire stir-frying process will take approximately 10 minutes. Now when the oil and pan is hot, pour in the preserved pickled radish. On the other side of the pan, pour in the diced tofu. Fry both these ingredients side by side until they are a little crispy, and for the tofu, brown on all sides. You will notice the tofu becoming slightly brown on all sides and the chai ball becoming crispy at the side. This will be just the right texture you want. Add oil a little bit and by little bit when you see that it is needed. So when there's not enough oil, you can add each time about 2 tablespoons. It should have a slight sizzling sound and so that everything becomes a little crispy and a little fried and a little brown. Once you have achieved the brownness and this tinge of crispiness, you can add in the carrots and bell peppers and chili. Give it a good toss. This last part should take just around 3 minutes for the bell peppers and the carrots and the chili to soften and cook. To add to the color, you can sprinkle in half a teaspoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of thick soy sauce. It will add in some umami and sweetness to the taste so that you have now salty, umami, and sweetness. In fact, I did not add the extra sauce as this is already tasty for me. But go ahead and do that if you like to add a little bit more taste to this dish. Now give it a little toss so that all the sauces are well mixed and everything is well cooked. Like I said, this will only take you 10 minutes. The last part of vegetable is about 3 minutes and frying the tofu and the crispy chai poh will take about 6 to 7 minutes. Just a backstory about chai poh, also known as preserved radish, has a fascinating history rooted in Chinese and Southeast Asian cuisine. It is made by salting and fermenting daikon radish, resulting in a sweet, salty, umami-packed ingredient that enhances many dishes. Historically, Chinese immigrants brought the tradition of preserving radish to regions like Thailand, Malaysia, and Singapore, where it became a staple in local cooking. In Thailand, chai poh is a key ingredient in pad thai, adding depth of flavor to the dish. In Teochew cuisine, it is often used in omelets, chai poh nung, a nostalgic comfort food. This dish is often enjoyed with warm rice or rice porridge. You can also eat it just like this. Comment below what other recipes you would like to feature. And if you'd like me to show you chai poh nui, the pickled radish omelette, please type omelette in the comments below. If there's enough people who wants this omelette dish, I will show you in another video and another recipe. Stay tuned and I'd like to show you kimchi fried rice next week. I hope you have liked this video and go ahead and please consider subscribing so that you will not miss any of our recipes. Yesterday I also uploaded a place to find good Korean food and flavors, and in that video you can see the kimchi fried rice looking delicious and some crispy chicken. We'll soon find out, show you in another video how to cook this gourmet dish. Thank you for watching again and I hope you have a great day. Bye now.